guys, I actually have a few bits to show you. Yeah, I'm still an absolute state. I'm actually freezing. I'll be like, I actually didn't ask you to come over. I didn't ask you once. I didn't. Not even once. Not even once, Billy. Anyway, I got some new live stock. I've got some of it here to show you, and I am working on new stuff at the moment that I'm hopefully going to be able to get before Christmas. I'm hoping, but I can release these anyway. But so it's a tote bag and a t-shirt, and the hope is that they go with the tracksuits that I have got coming hopefully soon, but I don't know for sure. But anyway, get out of the way. It's a really nice big size. It's so silly. I measured out the size that I wanted for this, and then like this is what it is constantly like working with manufacturers. I don't remember. I actually might have, but I don't think that I put the length that I wanted the handle to be in the like spec sheet that I sent over, but I did for down here. So down here is perfect. It's just like you cannot ever give enough detail, but then even when you do give it, it sometimes still comes back wrong, and like the sample will be perfect and then you'll get an order and it won't be good. But anyway, I like them. Other than that, I like everything else about it, but and I really like the print. Obviously I did up the print myself and then they put it on it, but like I did the design or whatever on Photoshop. Yeah, no, that looks nice, but I'm just, yeah, a bit disappointed about the handles, but what can you do? I'm putting in a second order for them. I'll definitely change that, but it's definitely, I'd say, because I didn't put in detail and they just can't, like I showed photos and like other like similar ones on people and whatever, but it just doesn't go in sometimes, I swear. Anyway, these are the t-shirts. I'm nervous about these. So this is a size small that I have here. They're small, medium, large. They're meant to be an oversized fit. This is like, they're oversized, but sorry, my camera ran out of battery. But I think I was just saying these are an oversized fit, not massively oversized. Like this would probably fit me. Like it'd be nice tucked in with jeans on me, I'd say. The small, or tucked into joggers, but it's long enough. This is a small. I'm not usually a small, really, because there's obviously people that are a lot smaller than me that buy from Loud, but I'm probably like a medium, I'd say, but I'd probably prefer a large if I was wearing it over like leggings or cycle shorts or whatever. But anyway, so it has this at the front, this little leather label. I love that font lately. Sit. And then the back has this little print that I did up, it just says Loud the label, Formula 1 team. Going back to my roots of all the like sort of racing and car type stuff, and I love it. I feel like I'm happy to be back. And then I have an Amazon package here that Con got, but he told me to open it. It's absolutely massive, and oh my god, Amazon were so strange today. Actually, there was an Amazon package in the green bin. I wonder if Colin remembers to take it out. Oh, because he's so cute. He's like resting his head on my knee, on my leg even. Yeah, I wonder if I remember to check that. But yeah, you're one, like, she literally, I was literally going to the front door. Like, she probably saw me getting up because I was right here, and then I went to the front door, and before I even got there, she rang straight away the Ring doorbell, then the normal doorbell 1 second later, and then she starts banging on the door as well. It's like, it's literally been one split second. It's been about 10 seconds. Like, are you for real? Literally, what the fuck is their problem? Get over there. God, he's annoying me. Like, fucking hell. Honest to God. What the hell? Like, people are so weird. Anyway, I'm hoping that this is an electric blanket that we got for the couch. Oh my god, guys, I can't remember if I told you about this or not, but Con's granny had one and it looked so cozy on her couch. So then straight away we went on and looked up one, and Con got one. I think it was pretty reasonable. I think the one she had was like 80 quid, but the one that we got was like, I want to say like half that, or like 60 maybe. I'm not 100%, I'll double check, and I'll link below anyway, so you'll be able to see it there. But we also got, oh yeah, it's in here. So we also have to get a dehumidifier because our room is just getting, especially now that it's not, I'm just gonna move up a bit. Now that it's not summer and I don't have like the window open most of the day or whatever like I used to, it's getting like damp, like there's been like mold and stuff growing, so we have to sort that out. And yeah, can't get this one. It's actually a pretty nice looking one. So yeah, it's black, so it's grand. Hopefully that will work. We need to get like a vent or something put into our room because there's none in that room. And God, you can definitely feel it. You can feel it. Oh, and then this is a blanket. It's so nice. I'm so excited. So excited. I hope it's big. It's pretty big actually. We double checked the size, I remember. But it must be really very condensed into this. But yeah, it's like, do you know how an electric blanket for your bed, you can get the ones that go underneath you on your bed, which they're the only ones I knew about, and then a few months ago I heard that you can get ones that go on top of you as well, like a blanket, like, or like a sheet kind of. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. It's a bit, I don't know, it feels a bit weird. But we've one that goes underneath us, and it's literally a lifesaver. Also, it's meant to be so cheap as well. I think it's like 1 cent or something like that for your use of it, something like, I don't know for how long, or maybe it's for an hour or something, I don't know. Can't remember where I saw that now, I can't even remember, so don't quote me. I wonder if it says it on this. You can also wash it, which I thought was really interesting. This one is just by some brand called Cozy Home, but you can get them in loads of places. This is from Amazon. I saw loads of them on Little Woods and all when I was looking. So it has 9 heat settings. Quite dramatic, isn't it? Not very fancy. Detachable cord for easy washing, so then you can just, once you take the cord off, wash it in the washing machine, which I find crazy because it obviously has the things throughout the heat, so it baffles me, but I think I'd be a bit scared. Luxury fleece, built-in timer up to 9 hours, which is pretty good. Overheat protection, warms up fast. Yes, it doesn't say on it how much it costs, but it's probably cheaper than having the heating on loads and loads, you know. It's because we'll just chill and like, we always have a blanket out for us in the evening now anyway. It's very chilly at the moment, and you really need one. It's just cozy as well. So this is it. It did come in like a cream, but it didn't look like a very nice cream. I don't know if it was just a picture on Amazon, but anyway, you can't really go wrong with grey, so we went for grey. And oh god, there's a big instruction manual and everything. Oh, it's really soft. Really soft, and then you can just feel the little wire straight there, but like not badly. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I'm so excited, so excited. And then the other side's like that. It's really nice. It's really soft. They have loads of different ones as well, like loads of different ones. Like Connor Squatting has a real fancy one. It's like full on like print and all, but I just like plain. It's actually really big. So you can just throw it over yourself on the couch, and it's so cozy. And then this bit obviously plugs in, and you can adjust like the temperature, time, all of that, turn it on and off on that. So that's so handy. I cannot wait till tonight. We're going to be so cozy watching the TV with this. Oh, I'm loving my life. So happy. That's such a good gift though, isn't it? I feel like my granny would love this. I'm definitely going to get her one for Christmas. Oh my god, unreal. I'm definitely gonna. I wonder if it'll be in the Amazon Black Friday sale on Friday. Because unreal. I wonder who else would like. Maybe my mom. I wonder who. I feel like all my friends will, but we don't really do that big presents. I need to double check how much this was. I think it's probably on Tom's Amazon, but I'll leave it on the screen and I'll leave a link below. It's time to make myself a hot chocolate. None for you, rich wieners. I'm making a hot chocolate for the last ages, but then every time it gets to the evening, I'm not in the mood for it anymore. And I also really wanted mini marshmallows, but haven't been able to find them for ages. Anyway, They have not had them. So I've bought about 5 bags of normal marshmallows and ended up just eating them all. Haven't had one in a hot chocolate. So yeah, I have this cute hot chocolate mix that came with this. So may I have that? No. I think I'm actually going to have a gingerbread one. I tell a lie, I did actually make one of these, but I made it with milk and I didn't say to on the instructions. I thought it would be nicer, but then it was horrible. So I think I'll try it out with hot water and we'll see what happens. And once you put marshmallows in it, it's obviously going to be delicious. Like, I don't really care for it without marshmallows all in it, so oh yeah. Anyway, I'm half thinking like, should I have a mocha, because it's the afternoon, it's like 2 o'clock and I could do with a coffee, but then I'm like, no, I don't want to fuck it up. I always say that I do too much, you know, like the milk the last time. I should just do what you're meant to do and then it will be nice. And then if I want to have a coffee in an hour or two, I can. Gingerbread hot chocolate. Very excited. Got it in Aldi. Literally got it before Halloween. But here we are. I'm just very excited for Christmas every single year. Way too early. Okay, so you need 4 scoops. I'm always a bit skeptical. I always feel like they tell you to put a bit too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna trust the process. I need to stop thinking that I know more than Galaxy. It smells so nice. Oh, it smells so nice. It just smells like Galaxy, really, which I'm kind of happy with because I don't want too much gingerbread, you know. Right, and then 200 ml of hot water. No mention of milk, so let's see. I do like milk though. I don't. Anyway, we'll see. Maybe there's already like milk in it because it's kind of like yeah, got little white bits in it. So maybe that's why it was too much the last one. Who knows? Not me anyway. Don't know anything. Okay, need to leave a lot of space for marshmallows. Probably could have left even more. Even though the jar, but if it is what's going on in the background. Does not does. Okay, it's very, very chocolatey. But to be fair, look, it looks nice. Made fine, so I'm made about it. Not you. For 1 pink and 1 white. That looks a bit sad, doesn't it? Probably should do double that. Okay, there's 3. I should have put them up so then they're like little mini marshmallows. But I'm sure they'll melt a lot, won't they? Especially because it's only made with hot water, you know? They'll melt in no time. I'd love another one, but I need to stop being so greedy. Yes, they are melting nicely. That's exactly what you want. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Bobby. You can't have any because you're not allowed to have chocolate. You'll be sick. Excuse the state of me, but guys, it's actually quite nice. It's boiling, like I've left for ages. They're completely melted now, but like it's nice, but it is a little bit watery. I do like milk. It is nice though. It's not very gingerbready. The bit of marshmallow I just got with it makes it. I think it would be horrible without it. You know, just wouldn't be for me. That's really nice. I really needed that today. Really nice. I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. So sad, but don't worry, I have so many other Christmassy vids coming, so you won't be waiting for too long. Hopefully I'm gonna upload a lot more often now. I'm aiming for like 4 days a week, more if I can, over Christmas. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss them. Love you guys. Bye.